This is a 7-minute workout that you will follow for 7 days to help lose between 1 and 2 inches from your waist. As a qualified weight loss expert and fitness trainer with over 25 years of experience, I know what works. That's why I've created this program for you. Follow it exactly for 7 days. The response on Facebook and social media has been incredible, so I decided to record this workout as a real-time video for you. If you haven't done a warm-up yet, press pause now and march on the spot for 1 minute. If you're already warmed up, let's get straight into this 7-minute workout. The first exercise is a straight leg kick. You have 10 seconds to preview the movement. Kick one leg up while reaching the opposite hand toward your foot. You'll perform this exercise for 60 seconds. Keep your back straight throughout the movement. This routine has 2 main goals. First, it helps burn calories, which reduces excess body fat, including belly fat. Second, these exercises are specifically designed to tone, strengthen, and sculpt your waist and abdominal muscles. You have another 30 seconds to go. The goal is to complete this workout 7 days in a row. On day 1, you can listen to my voice for guidance and coaching. On days 2 through 7, you can mute the audio and play your favorite music, but commit to doing this for all 7 days, because I know you will love the results. Now move number 2. You have a 10-second preview. Hold your arms up in front of you and swing one leg from side to side. This is called a pendulum swing. If you don't like impact or jumping, simply step from side to side instead. This move increases calorie burn while toning your waist and working your abdominal muscles. Keep moving non-stop for 60 seconds. You're already 20 seconds in, so you only have 40 seconds left. Remember, when you give 100% effort, you get 100% results. That's why I want you fully focused on completing this workout every day for 7 days. Try to do it first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and increase calorie burn for the rest of the day. You have 10 seconds left. Keep going. This may feel challenging, but you're improving your heart health, fitness, and overall well-being. This workout is about more than just losing inches. Move number 3. Reach up tall and walk your hands out. If coming all the way to the floor is too difficult, stand near a sofa and walk your hands out onto it instead. This exercise continues to boost calorie burn while strengthening your core muscles. Reach up, walk your hands out, and come back up. Keep going. You're almost halfway through. The more consistently you exercise, especially over 7 consecutive days, the more active muscle tissue you build. This helps reset and naturally speed up your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day. Move number 4 is a skater lunge. Step from side to side, and if you exaggerate the arm movement, you'll increase waist sculpting even more. Perform this for 60 seconds. This is a great calorie-burning exercise, and you're already well over halfway through today's workout. Stay focused and remember that right now, you're investing in your health. With over 25 years of experience, I know how to transform both bodies and minds, and these are the results of my training programs. This program is for people of every age and every background. It is suitable for those who have never worked out before, as well as for those who have exercised in the past, tried diets, and experienced weight that goes up and down. My focus is not just on short-term weight loss, but on keeping results long-term. It's about creating a lifestyle and watching your body change. Keep going. You have just 10 seconds left. Stay strong. I'll count you down from 5. This is a great aerobic and sculpting exercise. 3, 2, and 1. Now we move on to exercise number 5. Take a split stance as if you're about to sprint. You'll work one leg for 30 seconds, then switch to the other leg. Drive that knee up. This exercise works your upper body, midsection, and core while toning your abdominals and strengthening your legs. Keep pushing, especially when it feels challenging, because that's when real results happen. You have 10 seconds left on this leg. 3, 2, and 1. Now switch to the other side and drive that knee up as if you're running. Keep going. You only have 2 exercises left, so you're almost finished for today. Think about the benefits, and remember that these real results come from consistent exercise combined with a healthy diet. You have 10 seconds left. Move number 6. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Reach your arms up, then bend down to one side. This exercise increases calorie burn and helps shape and sculpt your waist. Move from side to side without leaning forward or backward. Reach your arm down as far as you can, ideally past the knee. These side bends work your internal and external oblique muscles, which help pull in the waist and define your abdominal area. You're less than halfway through this move, and you now have 20 seconds left. Try to reach a little further each time. Now for the final exercise. We're coming down to the floor for abdominal crunches. If you don't like floor exercises, you can stay standing and do alternating knee lifts for 60 seconds. This is move number 7. Place your fingertips lightly by the sides of your head and perform a crisscross motion, bringing your elbow toward the opposite knee. Continue for 60 seconds. I've chosen this exercise because it targets all 3 major abdominal muscle groups: the transverse abdominis, which is the deepest core muscle, the internal and external obliques, which shape the waist, and the rectus abdominis, the long muscle that runs from beneath the ribs down to the pelvis. You're doing great. You have 30 seconds left. Keep pushing. Remember, this workout is just 7 minutes a day for 7 days. Stick with it, and you can expect to lose 1 to 2 inches from your waist. That completes your 7-minute workout. Now we'll move into a quick cool down and stretching session. If you need water, pause the video. Otherwise, let's continue. A great tip for tracking results is to take your measurements today. Use a tape measure to record the narrowest part of your waist and the widest part of your hips. After 7 days, compare your results. Be consistent, don't skip workouts, and stay disciplined with your nutrition. Good nutrition doesn't mean eating boring food. You can enjoy meals while still eating healthily. There are many simple, quick, and delicious healthy recipes available. As we stretch, keep one leg slightly bent and feel the stretch through your upper back and arms. Fitness rewards you in many ways. Beyond physical changes, you'll gain more energy, confidence, improved mental well-being, and a stronger sense of control over your health. Reach your arms up and stretch through the entire body. You've worked your arms, legs, core, and overall strength today. Well done for completing this workout. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. As a qualified online trainer with over 25 years of experience, I know what works. Complete this challenge for 7 days, then come back and tell me how many inches you lost.